Hello everyone, welcome to today's English story. Today's story is called The Kind Neighbor. It is a simple story. You will learn new words, useful sentences, and improve your listening. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Tom moved to a new city. He felt a little nervous. Everything was new. The streets were new. The houses were new. Tom did not know anyone. He lived in a small blue house. Next to his house was an old white house. An old woman lived there. Her name was Mrs. Green. One morning, Tom was cleaning his yard. Suddenly, he heard a soft voice. "Good morning." Tom turned around. Mrs. Green was standing near the fence. She was smiling. In her hands, she had a basket. Inside the basket were fresh apples. "Welcome to the neighborhood," she said. Tom smiled politely. "Thank you," he replied. Mrs. Green gave Tom the basket of apples. "These are from my garden," she said. Tom felt surprised. "That is very kind of you," he said. Mrs. Green laughed gently. Neighbors should help each other. From that day, Tom and Mrs. Green started talking more often. Sometimes they talked about the weather. Sometimes they talked about their favorite food. Sometimes they just sat outside and enjoyed the fresh air. Tom no longer felt lonely. He felt happy. He realized something important. A kind neighbor can make a place feel like home. Now let's learn some important words from the story. Neighbor. A neighbor is a person who lives near you. Example, Mrs. Green is Tom's neighbor. Basket. A basket is a container used to carry things. Example, Mrs. Green had a basket of apples. Kind means nice and helpful. Example, Mrs. Green is a kind neighbor. Lonely means feeling alone or sad. Example, Tom felt lonely in the new city. Now let's listen to the story one more time. This time, listen carefully and repeat after me. Tom moved to a new city. He felt a little nervous. Everything was new. He lived in a small blue house. Next to his house was an old white house. Mrs. Green lived there. One morning she said, "Good morning." She had a basket of apples. "Welcome to the neighborhood," she said. Tom smiled. "Thank you. These apples are from my garden," she said. Tom felt happy. "That is very kind of you." Mrs. Green smiled. Neighbors should help each other. From that day, Tom was not lonely anymore. He had a kind neighbor. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. Good morning. Welcome to the neighborhood. Thank you very much. That is very kind of you. Neighbors should help each other. Very good. Thank you for listening to today's story. Did you enjoy The Kind Neighbor? If you like learning English through stories, please like the video and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next story. Happy learning. Now, let's test your vocabulary. What does kind mean? A. Sad. B. Nice and helpful. C. Angry. The answer is be nice and helpful. What does lonely mean? A. Feeling alone or sad. B. Feeling happy. C. Feeling excited. The answer is A. Feeling alone or sad.